Hi guys, this video is about this vintage beautiful extremely weird bats, but for me I didn't see this like this before. You see here is the year 180 89 February 19. That means it's 18th century. Had the open. Here is a beautiful cute thing. That working very well. You see. And here we can open. And had this. I don't really even want to clean him because I know there are people really like this antique vintage, and for that I let like that. Had this thing here, number 19. 11, and this one 7, 8, 9, 12. Had this other. I do many videos. You want to see in my videos how I work with many machines, but I never get this kind. I know this is the took, and I know how work in normal machines, but I don't know this is for one machine that coming. Look in this. I know there are someone there maybe looking for this, so I'm going to sell for that. This coming with all of this. I know this is for what. I know how to use that, but this is for what kind of machine can be. I think Singer can be, because say Simanco. It is Simanco Singer, but I don't really sure if all these pieces is for that coming like that. So I'm going to sell in this way with this all these attachments. This is gray, we know that little thing. This other little bark can be really useful for someone, so I don't want just to keep this without use, and I know someone can use. This is the basket with all the attachments. I'm going to sell. After I'm going to make some videos how work for them, not the century machines, but how work with this. With this one I know how to. These ones too are really useful, and for now just I want to illustrate how is this beautiful bats. So that will like that, and it's close. Okay guys, thank you for watching. God bless you, and continue pray for the world. Bye.